This is the final look. Cute. My psychotic chihuahua. She thinks she's a pit bull. She's only 6 pounds. And yeah, your skin is gonna glow for the gods. My name is EllieArket. I'm a psychic medium, a manifestation life coach, and founder of EllieArket Cosmetics. Hey guys, get ready with me. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick makeup. I think I'm gonna do orange. Start with my 24 karat gold collagen soap, which is for face and body. This is anti-aging, anti-wrinkle. It's gonna brighten your complexion. It gets rid of acne, scars, age spots, sunspots. All my products do that. So my skincare is literally amazing. The day serum, night serum, the face cream. So this is what we're gonna be using. The makeup and the skincare are mine. If I use any other products, I'll put it on the screen. I'll put it in the description box down below. To purchase my makeup and skincare products, go to EllieArket.com. If you guys wanna come to me for reading, coaching, anything spiritual, go to EllieArket.com. My products are bomb. It's a no-brainer. Go get it. I have this orange sundress that I want to wear. So that's what we're going to do. Look at my skin. It's no-brainer. Go grab my skincare products right now. Top of the page, click on website EllieArket.com. Okay, well, I'm going to go in with my 24 karat gold collagen day serum. This feels like a toner. It feels really amazing. It smells really amazing. And you just put this on. I always put it at the back of my hand because this is 100% collagen, you guys. You want your skin to get that collagen. Your skin is going to start getting tight. That's when you know you're ready for your face cream. This is my 24 karat gold collagen, retinol, hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E. This is the most hydrating face cream you'll ever need. Literally, it's going to give you hydration for like 24 hours. If you guys need hydration, grab this. If you guys want to tighten your skin, grab the serums. If you want an all over body beauty, get the soap. If you can afford, get all of them. So this is my skin after prepping with my skincare products. Like I said, everything is vegan, organic, cruelty free. And yeah, your skin is gonna glow for the gods. Going with my SPF a little bit. I love this stuff. This is Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Face Mist 55. You want to tan your body is one thing, but don't tan your face because it's going to age you. I've been going to the pool every day, so I kind of got a tan. I'm going to put just a little bit of concealer, just literally just a little bit, because this is really, really white. And I don't really use concealer and foundation, especially like summertime. And my face is so much darker than the concealer, but just a little bit, you know, just, I don't know, just like a little bit. Literally just like dots on my face. Foundation is Maybelline Fit Me, dewy and smooth, and the shade is 125. Just because we're gonna put makeup on, we just want everything to kind of be unified. Always wet your sponges. I have a little one for under my eyes and the bigger one for the all over face. My psychotic chihuahua. She thinks she's a pit bull. She's only 6 pounds. It's summer, it's super hot and humid, and I just don't want to wear like heavy makeup, but this looks really good because I'm going to be on video. Otherwise I wouldn't be putting this on. But for like every day, I think just putting a little bit of products on your skin, because it's summer, you don't want to cake it on. Like my face looks so much lighter. Going with my Wet n Wild contour stick. This is in the shade Call Me Maple 805. I'm lucky I have high cheekbones, but you can do this if you don't. Okay, so this looks good. I'm gonna do some eyes. Today's eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with Smoke Cardi Professional. I got this. It's 21 highly pigmented shimmer and matte eyeshadows. I got this from CVS and I love this palette so much. Bought a huge thing of Jeffree Star and I hate his eyeshadows. They're so light and it takes forever to get like color going and it falls. But these are literally amazing, and this was like not even that expensive. And I'm obsessed with Jeffree Star, but his eyeshadow palettes, I don't know, it just like doesn't work for me. Tasty is this super orangey, and you guys will see like how pigmented it is. Like, I don't have to dip it twice. I'm gonna show you guys a palette that I bought. I'm so disappointed. I bought the Jawbreaker from Jeffree Star and I hate it. I barely use it, even though it has all these colors. First of all, it smells like like it has like chemical. I don't know, I just like hate it. Because the shape of my eyes is, I look like a cat. So I have that cat eye look. So I always do my eyeliner and eyeshadows like that. That's just my style. Obviously, you can do whatever you want. I'm gonna put eyelashes down today, so it's gonna look nicer. I'm gonna go in with my own eyeshadow palette, EllieArket Cosmetics. And I'm gonna use the black one to line the corners. This kind of seems to like make your eyes bigger when you only focus at the ends of your eyes. So if you want your eyes to look bigger, this is the technique. I cannot wear eyelashes from anywhere. It gives me like an allergic reaction. So I came out with my own because all my products are vegan and organic and cruelty free. This is my own. They are handmade from silk. There's no animal cruelty. There's no animal products. Handmade from silk, and they're amazing. We're gonna put this down. Okay, so the eyelashes are down. And you guys can see a little bit of the orange and the black in the corner, and it's stunning. We're gonna do the eyebrows. I have this Ardell dark brown eyebrow thing that you just put the brush in. It comes with a brush and it's spoolie. I'm lucky I have dark eyelashes and dark eyebrows. I'm gonna do the blush, highlighter, and the lipstick. For the blush, I'm gonna go in with my own blush and highlighter palette. We're gonna put in a Love Potion, this one. For blush, I like to kind of go across, especially summertime, so it looks like you're like got like sun-kissed. Cute. With my soulmate. With my fingers. Yeah, cute. And then go here. Cute. I'm gonna go in with my orange lipstick. I've named this shade Amber. It's a velour liquid lipstick. It's vegan, waterproof, organic, cruelty-free. Now, this is gonna go on wet, and then when it dries down, it's not gonna come off. You're gonna have to use like a makeup remover, and this is an absolutely gorgeous shade. I'm not gonna use a lip liner. I'm just gonna line my lips with the wand. Super smooth, and it smells like candy. I just want to eat it. It makes your teeth really white. Now the cool thing about my velour liquid lipsticks is that you can use these as eyeshadows, as eyeliner, as blush. I always like to let the lipstick kind of dry down just a little bit, and then I kind of go in and just pick up some product and I put it on my cheeks, because if you have the velour liquid lipsticks as blush on your face, then it's not going to come off. It's just going to stay. It's going to stay in your skin. So the makeup is done. I'm going to put my hair down, wear my orange dress, and show you guys the final look. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. And we're done. Bye guys.